The Zimbabwe Prisons and Correctional Service hosted a grand reception ceremony to welcome back their sports teams from the SADC Correctional Games held in Namibia. The guest of honor, Honorable Ziyambi, Minister of Justice, Legal and Parliamentary Affairs, congratulated the teams for their outstanding performance and for flying the Zimbabwean flag high on the regional stage. The ZPCS delegation, which competed against other correctional services in the Southern African region, was praised for demonstrating discipline, teamwork, and national pride throughout the games.
We are here to celebrate you, to congratulate and to say thank you very much for coming back home as our champions. I'm really proud because of what you have done, and I also want to digress a little bit. You know, when you do sports and you rally the community around sporting events, it's also very helpful in the fight of drug and substance abuse. And as our officers, when you are participating and bringing medals, you must also become role models to our young people, to rally them to want to participate in sports so that we distract those that may be attracted to do drugs and substance abuse. And I believe that you can be our ambassadors in the fight of drug and substance abuse. We have, as a collective and as prisons and correctional service, assist to fight the scourge of drug and substance abuse.
Officials say the victory did not only boost morale within the service, but also strengthen Zimbabwe's sporting and professional ties with fellow SADC nations.
The 2025 SADC Games in Namibia was another edition. I want to regard it as the fourth edition, having started in 2006 in South Africa, 2015, that is in Botswana, then 2023 in Durban, South Africa, and the 2025 the edition, which is the fourth edition in Namibia. I want to thank His Excellency for having accorded us the opportunity, the Commissioner General for having accorded us the opportunity to go and represent Zimbabwe fully at the fourth edition of these SADC Games. I want to say the preparations, they were thorough, the competition was very tough. But nevertheless, as the defending champions of the 2023 SADC Games in South Africa, we stood very high and we won the championship back home again with 11 gold medals. It was a very tight competition. Everyone wanted to beat Zimbabwe. But nevertheless, we stood high on the platform and we showed them that we are made of steel. We are Zimbabweans, truly Zimbabweans. We fought as a team and there we are. Celebrations, today we are here. We competed in a total of 11 sport codes, namely athletics, with gold, golf, with golf in gold in both male and female, netball, golf, athletics, golf, tug of war with silver, and that was golf in male, gold in male, and a total of 11 gold medals, like I did mention. Then we are looking forward to go and compete again, that in Zambia 2027, God permitting, and we are going to make our preparations right now to make sure that in fact we retain the championship.
The sporting games mean a lot to our community of correctional officers. Firstly,